Well, now you can see it's really, really raining, and the sirens have just started up again. This is as hard a rain as I've seen here for a while. You can't even see the clouds now, it's raining so hard. It's just gray. But the wind is not here. The wind that they were expecting has not arrived yet. Hopefully it won't. Because we got a lot of trees around here, you can see. There's a lot of cars underneath them. That used to be a cornfield. First roll of thunder. Not a very big one, but some. Now the wind is starting to change direction because the rain is now starting to come into the balcony a little bit. So I just had to take a step back. This is our balcony, by the way. It's quite a nice little size. It's pretty boring right now. We've got to do something with it. Wait for the all clear. Name that film. Here we have Pickle. Pickle. You come see what's happening out here, guys? Somebody down below me is smoking. You can smell the cigarette. What are you doing, buddy? Come on. Ah, you got a bit of rain on you, didn't you? You like that. Bye-bye. No? Just gonna sit there? Unfortunately, I locked Pickle in the closet last night for 3 hours. Oh well. She's so black and quiet. I didn't hear her. My excuse. We have yet another new Mexican restaurant being built. I don't know if you can make out. There's a little piece of yellow building material sticking out in the distance, and that's where the Casa Rita is going to be. What up, baby? Pickle. Come on, up. Nope. She's just teasing me, as always. Alright, looks like it's calming down. Bye.